That FBD file originates from Family Bowbeater, a bowling simulation game storing game-specific data. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you figure out exactly how to access and use this file. Final Step Preview. We will conclude by utilizing a comprehensive file inspection solution to instantly resolve the FBD error, a tool also capable of managing numerous other file types. An FBD file is a data file associated with Family Bowbeater, a bowling simulation game. It stores game-related data such as player profiles, scores, and game session information used by the application to track and display bowling game statistics and progress. FBD files use a proprietary binary data format, specific to the Family Bowbeater application. The file structure encodes player records, scoring data, and session information in a format only fully interpretable by the Family Bowbeater game software itself. The default recognized opener for FBD files is known to be Family Bowbeater from Family Bowbeater Developer. Windows provides limited editing capability, so full functionality depends on dedicated programs. Windows cannot interpret all embedded data elements, so the right application is needed for full access. We are checking system compatibility. Right-click your FBD file and hit Open With. If Family Bowbeater is on your machine, test it immediately. If not, any other listed program will work for the test. If your FBD file isn't cooperating, don't worry. Failure of the main program tells us the FBD error is systemic. Let's not waste time. Here are 3 essential steps to troubleshoot the file right now. First, reinstall Family Bowbeater. The most reliable way to open FBD files is to reinstall the Family Bowbeater application. Once installed, the game should automatically recognize and load FBD data files placed in the correct application data directory on your Windows system. Next, check for application updates. If the game is already installed but fails to read the FBD file, check for software updates on the developer's website. Updated versions may include improved compatibility with existing FBD data files or offer a data migration utility for older file versions. Finally, use a Hex Editor to inspect. If the application is unavailable, open the FBD file in a Hex Editor such as HXD to inspect its raw binary content. While this won't render the game data visually, it may help identify data structures or confirm file integrity for recovery purposes. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. To help resolve this, you might consider a tool with autonomous file reading capability that is designed to look past the extension name and inspect the internal data structure directly. When even advanced utilities can't handle the file, the architecture requires a universal reader. FileMagick is the only tool I trust for this level of format variety. Download it at filemagick.com. Let me know in the comments if that file is open. Subscribing ensures you never miss another one-click solution.